What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. I'm honored to be here again to walk you through the market. It was a great day today. There was a lot of opportunities to make money both ways, and it also really started off with this gap today. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be really focusing on today. Is a little bit more about gaps, gap trading, get you the education that you need and you deserve. All right. So let me know who's in the building, and let's step into the war zone. So who do we have? Bad Indy, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? XLN, what's going on, brother? Marco, good to see you. AV, Trading Wars Army. Happy Hookers Fishing, Trading Wars Army. Ramon, Trading Wars Army. Jonathan, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. Whiskey Ginger, Trading Wars Army. K Trader, Trading Wars Army. Who else? Todd, Trading Wars Army. Marcelo, we got the army strong right now. Boom, 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 boom. Ellie, Trading Wars Army, the only one Twitter who legitimately educates and teaches you how to make money. Thank you very much, my brother. Appreciate you guys. All right, let's do this. Okay, boom. All right. So I just want you to look at the yesterday, and we had a gap down. Okay, and I really want to talk to you about gaps. And today, if we look at the first 3 minute candle, we also had a gap down. All right. And one of my go to strategies when we have gaps is I love to use the opening range breakout. That's one of my go to. And what a gap is trying to tell me, guys, what a gap essentially means to me is there's going to be more volatility. That's what I generally see with gaps. And because we're going to have more volatility, I love to trade the opening range breakout. The opening range breakout allows me to stay neutral because I don't have a bias. I'm not 100% long, I'm not 100% short. Whatever the candle tells me to do is what I do. Okay. And that's why I love the opening range breakout so much. So let's go ahead here to my live commentary. Let me walk you through the day. So we had a very short and clean trading session in the morning. Said, good morning, friends. Another gap down looking like an orb type of day. So I said, I was warning everybody that the easy money was made yesterday. We caught the top. So yesterday we shorted, got that big run. Today might be a bit trickier. Keep the size small. Okay. So I just knew that, it's usually in the stock market, whatever happens yesterday ain't going to happen today because they love to trap people. And I went ahead here and I tweeted this morning. So make sure you follow the tweets because I had a clue here. Good morning, friends. Spy with another gap down similar to yesterday. The Bulls have one shot to buy the dip to make a stand this week. Otherwise, we likely continue lower. And when you just look at the daily chart for SPY, you could see that we were gapping down and testing the previous week's low. And the Bulls have to fight for that, right? They have to fight for that. Otherwise, if they don't, we can just flush straight down. Okay. So right off the bat, guys, the first thing that I did was the ORB. So you could see here, I went long at 8:33 Central, 9:33 Eastern, right there, boom. And this one was a really smooth trade. So what I do is I take the Fibonacci on the candle and I use this as my basically to help me with my targets. So the first target goes out at the 272 and then the 50 and then so on and so forth up the ladder. And we hit everything. So we hit everything. And you guys will notice as soon as we went to the full extension, which is just 100% of this candle, we sold off. And that's why I always take profits using the Fibonacci. And you'll see my comments here looking for 390.54, target hit, boom, send the rockets. Next 390.91, send the rockets. It was a beautiful trade. All right. Hit me with a one if that trade made sense. So opening range breakout, when we have a gap, I love to use that because especially if we gap down below the previous day's low, because I'm expecting volatility. All right. So we had that beautiful orb, 3 minute orb right there. Hit that one hard, guys. Got the full extension, which is always good money. It was really, really good. So go ahead and send me a blue rocket. All right. Hit me with a blue rocket in the chat for the positivity on this trade. This was a great trade. And now I'm going to walk you into the second stage of my trading. So the second trade today, guys, was based on the trigger. Okay. So you guys know that the trigger is always posted the night before, right? And we had the trigger yesterday was 391.88. Okay. So I'll go ahead and draw that for you. 391.88. And what are these? What are these? These are levels that we play off of. Okay. These are levels that we play off of for potential reversals, right? And you could see in here, guys, we didn't hit the level exactly, but we did put an inverted candle, so an inverted hammer. So a lot of the times, guys, when these levels are line in the sands, what I talked about yesterday, but when we have those line in the sands, you can look for the confirmation near those levels, right? And then you can see, okay, do I see a type of reaction? Do I see something happening? So that was a clean play right there. Let me switch over to the 5-minute chart now, so it'll be a little bit cleaner. And let's go ahead and talk about some of the fib plays. Okay, so let me just fast forward here. So we also had some great Fib plays today. So it took a little bit of time to develop like a really good shot solid Fib. But we've been seeing the same pattern over the last few weeks actually, where the Fib in the afternoon is the one that's actually doing really well. And I teach you guys this all the time about the afternoon leg. So the afternoon comes in around noon. Okay. So here's 12 o'clock, and you could see we have a clear low and a clear high. You see that? So we had that straight push like that. Okay. And you can see here, guys, we came back exactly to the 786. We put in an inside bar, which is another sign of consolidation. So we had a picture perfect trade here. And then we using my custom Fibonacci extension, we came exactly to the 10%. And we also put in an inside bar. So, I mean, this was really, really picture perfect. Like this one was very straightforward, guys. So there was a little bit of choppiness in the morning, but once we got that afternoon leg created here, it was pretty straightforward, guys. Really, really clean. So I really love how you guys are trading the fibs. It's amazing. And as always, we have the Fibonacci live setups right here. And you could see that we drew this in real time. All right. So the number one, the number one thing that I hear is, hey, Rich, I can't draw it. I can't draw it. No problem, guys. Look, this is the same chart. I drew it when we were here. Okay. So I got you guys. You don't worry. Don't worry about it. I got you. Okay. Very, very clean. And then we also had some Fibonacci's on stocks that we do as well. So here was AMD. So let's go look at AMD real quick. Okay. And let's see how that went. So AMD on the 5, watch this. So this is our drawing from today. See that, guys? Here's our low to our high. You see, we come to the 618. Okay. We put in this little double bottom formation and we got a nice pop. All right. So these are excellent for scalping. These are excellent for just knowing your levels, right? Playing level by level. You can scalp it, you can hit it hard. But in a play like this, right? Once you get your 618 and you pop up, you start scaling out, get the stop loss to break even. So you have a risk-free trade because let's say AMD wants to squeeze, it wants to keep going higher and higher and higher. That's totally fine because you're already loaded in. All right. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense, guys. And what I'm going to be focusing on a lot more is really drawing these Fibonacci's for you guys and helping you out because the risk reward on the Fibonacci is just impressive. And a lot of you guys trade options, and myself included. And if you're going to trade options, I really, really say, you got to do it on the fibs because if you're going to buy calls down here, remember, you're going to get a good deal. Okay. So it makes sense to do that. It makes sense to use the Fibonacci to buy your calls. All right. So send the Rockets for a good trade there as well. This was a nice trade. Send me the Rockets real quick, guys. That was a really nice trade. And then I'm just going to go over to my Twitter. And personally, I took shop today, which was one of the picks that I posted for you guys. Right. So we hit shop today. So today was a 5.2K day for me. Very good. And shop was $1,200 worth of that. So I'll show you shop right now real quick, and then we can wrap this up. So shop was just a simple breakout here, guys. And this is when this type of stuff happens, this is my automated style of trading. It captures all of this. Okay. That's what my automated style of trading does. So let's go ahead here and look at the plan. So the plan for shop yesterday, shop was a bonus pick. Okay. So let me go back to the Twitter. So we're looking for shop 377.26. Okay. So let me go ahead and put that up there. So I share a lot of stuff with you guys on the Twitter, and I really hope it adds value to you guys because these are the same plays that I take. So here we go. So this was our entry right here. So you could see, so again, the white line here was our line in the sand. You could see we had a clean breakout today and we just popped higher. And if we look at the daily chart, we had an inside bar yesterday. So that's what gave me the idea that today could be a breakout. So that's $1,200 right there, guys. Beautiful. All right. So how does that look there? How does that look? Send me the rockets if you like that. Send me the rockets. That was a clean one. That was a rocket. That was a rocket launcher right there, guys. That was beautiful. So a good day for me, a good week for me. I just have to finish strong tomorrow. Tomorrow is Lotto Friday, and I'm gonna tell you guys something. For the past few Fridays, we've been absolutely crushing it. It's been one of the best, the most exciting days. And if you're thinking about joining, I would definitely try tomorrow because there's good volatility usually on Fridays where you can make some good gains. And we'll have the plans ready. We'll have the call outs ready. We'll have everything, the fibs ready for you guys if you're interested. And with the team here, all the Trading Wars Army members, thank you again for being here. And let's go ahead and let's just finish this week good. I already made a lot of money, but let's try to put the icing on the cake. All right. That's what I'm looking for tomorrow. All right. As always, my friends, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested, guys. I actually did a little bit of a revamp to the website here. So let that load up right there. I added the logo here. So check me out at tradingwars.com. Here's the spy room and the stock room. Sign up. And if you get any one of my 3 books, you get 1 month for free in the room, which I think is the best deal. You get the education and the 1 month for free. And all of my indicators and scanners, you will get them for life. All right. So thank you very much, my friends. Please leave a comment. You have a chance to win a giveaway every Sunday if you do comment. Okay. So please do leave a comment there. Otherwise, I will catch you live tomorrow. Let's go ahead and end this week strong. Thank you again, and I will catch you tomorrow. Take care.